Hello, I will show you how to do the base color. This There is two process of it. Base color is important for your coloring any object digitally. It is not that important for landscape. Well, everyone got their own style. First, there is an image which I use for line art. Then put the line art layer on the top and lower the opacity so that you can see every part of it because it is necessary to fill all the gaps. For the first process, I will use one layer, one color for different part of the character, like one for skin, one for hair or dress. Make sure you don't miss any gap. I use dark color in this coloring process as my background is currently white. I can easily fill the gaps. If I use light colors, the process will be hard and there is a big chance to miss some parts as well. You can, if your background is already dark or if you used a darker background, then you can use a lighter color to fill the parts. The lowering opacity helps you to see all the parts. You see that? Like this. When you are done filling all the gaps on different layers for taking each and every parts like dress or hair, belt, anything, then you have to click the protect alpha option on the top of the layer window. It will allow you to color only the portion already you filled on the particular layer. See, when you drag your color in your brush, the color will go outside of it. Then you can use another color on the layer and you can make the blending or any effect you choose for this. Just like this. For the second process, I will use this picture where I take one layer and fill the whole object carefully in that layer. Then use more layer on top of it and those are slightly pushed backwards. That's for clipping. This is the next option of the protect alpha. If I clip it with another layer where I color the whole object, my color will not go outside of it, no matter how I drag the brush. Then the same process as earlier and I will fill all the portions in different layers and then it will be done. You can again use the protect alpha to use effects, blending or other things to color the part like I am showing you here. I'll take the hair layer and use the shading and all. That's it. Thank you for watching. You can reach me if you need. You are precious. Stay awesome. Bye.